The new Toyota CHR Plus is the EV we did not see coming. What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rise. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video because Toyota has added a new EV to its range, and it's one that no one really saw coming, dubbed the CHR Plus. It's similar in name to the existing CHR sold on the international markets, but it's bigger and expected to be sold here in the United States next year. So far, it's only been announced in European specifications and slots below the larger BZ4X in the Toyota family. Now, despite what the name CHR Plus might have you believe, it's not based on the gas-powered CHR, and instead, it has the same e-TNGA 2.0 platform as the BZ4X. Unlike that model that's often panned for its weird looks, well, this CHR Plus is much sleeker and more refined. Whether or not that helps it sell or not, well, that remains to be seen, but it's a start. Now, the Toyota CHR Plus sits on a 108.2 or 2,750 millimeter wheelbase, exactly 4 inches shorter than the wheelbase of the BZ4X. The brand says that the CHR Plus is more catered towards singles and couples, where areas the BZ4X is a family car. As developing and building new EVs from scratch is very costly, Toyota is using similar powertrain options to the BZ4X. Base models in Europe will feature a 57.7 kilowatt battery pack and a single electric motor driving the front wheels, delivering 165 horsepower, 123 kilowatts. Toyota says that this model will be good for 283 miles, 455 kilometers of range on a WLTP cycle, and can hit 62 miles per hour, 100 kilometers in a respectable 8.6 seconds. Now, a more powerful front-wheel drive version with a 77 kilowatt battery pack has been announced, kicking out 221 horsepower, 165 kilowatts, and boasting 373 miles, 600 kilometers of range, while dropping its 0 to 62 sprint in 7.4 seconds. Now, sitting at the top of the CHR Plus family will be a twin-motor all-wheel drive model with 338 horsepower, 252 kilowatts, a 77 kilowatt battery pack, and a 0 to 62 time in 5.2 seconds. Now, this model has a claimed range of around 326 miles, 525 kilometers. Now, Toyota hasn't confirmed if the CHR Plus will be sold here in the United States, as Toyota says they have no US product announcements at this time, but that's not a no. Maybe it's a maybe. We'll have to wait and see. But with that said, what are you guys thinking about the new CHR Plus EV? Drop those comments down below. And if you guys did enjoy the video today, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. But also make sure you guys check the links in the description if you guys want to help further support your channel. And subscribe, but click that notification bell so you don't miss one video. And we will see you guys in the next one. Peace.